Nature is where we belong, and it's calling us. The natural heritage protected at Machu Picchu is one of the most varied and unique in the world. This is where we live, in harmony with nature, and we'd like to share it with you. Los Jardines de Mandor is our family's initiative for the restoration and conservation of this wild habitat. Every meal, every ticket, and every service makes all of this possible. Any contribution you make is important to us. Join us in this pursuit. We invite you to discover, to enjoy, to taste, to heal, to love. Open your senses. Nature is calling you.